Hello everyone, and welcome to this brief overview of BEGA Interior Catalog 20. I'm Courtney Lewis, the Sales Operations Manager for BEGA North America, and I can't thank you enough for taking the time to view this showcase of our most exciting new interior products and solutions. Let's get started. Featuring more than 200 new products and product enhancements, ranging from brand new designs to improved optics and efficacy, BEGA Interior Catalog 20 includes a wide range of interior solutions, all of which are manufactured with the highest quality of materials and all offering excellent performance. In this video, we are going to highlight just a few of our most unique and appealing new products, starting with the expansion of our studio line, which happens to be BEGA's fastest growing interior product family. From there, we'll review additions to the Lindbergh collection, featuring timeless designs made of handcrafted crystal glass, and discuss the integration of tunable white technology into both of these families. We'll then turn our attention to one of BEGA's most beautiful and iconic pieces of glass, the sphere, and cover how this shape can be integrated seamlessly throughout your entire project. We'll take a quick look at two of BEGA's most recent innovations, our hybrid optics and genius installation method, and conclude our time together by looking at BEGA's newest asymmetrical solution, bringing a celebrated aesthetic and unmatched performance to interior spaces. Up first, let's take a look at the expansion of our studio line, BEGA's newest and fastest growing collection of interior products. They lend themselves to a unique and expressive lighting solution. The exceptional metalwork of these housings is enhanced by the choice of 3 interior finishes, aluminum, copper, or brass, and 2 exterior finishes, velvet black or white, which leads to a great amount of versatility. So whether your interior spaces inspire warm dark tones like copper and black, or crisp cooler tones like aluminum and white, the possibilities are endless. An amazing thing to note about our studio line is that while the interior finish of the luminaire creates a subtle hint of colored light on the outside edge of the beam spread, the functional light emitted from the luminaire is that pure white that matches the specified Kelvin temperature. It truly is an elegant effect in any space. Design continuity is so important. With products now available in recessed and surface ceiling, as well as large-scale and small-scale pendants, the studio aesthetic can easily be carried throughout a building from the main entrance foyer, through hallways, all the way to offices and dining areas. Here, you see a summary of the studio line additions we've just covered, along with the price range so that you can get a feel for where each might fit into your project's overall budget. The other thing I'd like to point out here is that anytime you see a little case icon with an S in it, there are sample cases of this product in your geographical location today. As a manufacturer that differentiates ourselves on quality, we haven't forgotten that samples are one of the most powerful tools available to you when evaluating who you're going to specify. And we're doing everything possible to make sure samples are easily accessible for your evaluation. Luminaires in our Lindbergh collection are characterized by handcrafted, high-quality glass, which demonstrates the unsurpassed artistry and skill of our glassmakers. Diffusers should create a pleasant lighting atmosphere with a high degree of visual comfort. In fact, the Lindbergh collection actually gets its name from the city in Germany where our glassblowing facility resides. Pure and timeless, durable and beautiful, Lindbergh glass truly is second to none. Here, I'd like to draw your attention to a handful of new semi-recessed ceiling and wall families. We've had very similar ceiling products in this range for some time, but you are now able to install these semi-recessed products in the wall as well, offering more flexibility in the design process. Each luminaire is made from our unmatched 3-ply opal glass to give a beautiful soft glow in your space. And I already know what you're thinking, that this glass would be perfect for tunable white technology. And we couldn't agree more. Tunable white technology is dramatically improving how people perceive spaces. Traditionally, color-sensitive applications as wide-ranging as healthcare, hospitality, and high-end retail were limited to static color temperature choices. We're learning that light, specifically color temperatures, have a profound effect on our health as human beings. With tunable white-enabled lighting solutions from BEGA, designers and end users can now adjust Kelvin temperature and intensity to instantly address preference, time, and health-centric application challenges without compromising color quality. Perfectly covering the ideal range of temperatures, 2700 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin, the following luminaires are now optionally available with Dolly 2 controllable tunable white technology. These luminaires make a simple to create dynamic space without the need for multiple fittings. I would also invite you to contact your local representative should your project have unique requirements, such as dim to warm or circadian lighting capabilities. Although not shown in our catalog, we can absolutely address these requirements for you throughout our modification process. Turning our attention back to Limburg, I want to take a minute to highlight one of my personal favorites, our spheres. Without a doubt, this family is one of our most popular designs within the Limburg collection, and they are so beautiful and so unique that I felt they deserved their own spotlight. As you saw in the video earlier, over many decades, we have mastered the art of high-quality glass. Nowhere is this more evident than in our semi-recessed, surface, and pendant-mounted spherical lighting solutions, a specialty of our glass factory. Manufactured in 3-ply opal glass, this is a one-of-a-kind diffuser, and it incorporates a wafer-thin layer of opal glass encased between 2 crystal glass layers, which softly and uniformly distribute the light. In addition to our renowned spherical pendants, we now offer semi-recessed, as well as surface ceiling and wall spheres, giving designers the ability to create a statement piece and accent walls while maintaining design continuity throughout the entire project, all while creating a pleasant light output with a high degree of visual comfort. Now let's take a look at a couple of BEGA's newest innovations. The first is our new Genius system, which is a new contractor-friendly method of installing luminaires, available in multiple product types, a variety of light distributions, light outputs, and diameters. And the second we'll go over is our new hybrid optical system, combining a silicone optical lens and precise reflector for maximum efficiency and glare control. We use silicone because of its quality and performance characteristics that are almost identical to glass, but silicone is much easier to manufacture, giving us greater design options and more precise light control. Let's take a look at how the Genius installation method works. Highlighted here is our recessed ceiling solution using the Genius installation method. Naturally, the first step is to cut a hole in the ceiling and then install the ring. Then, the housing just screws in until it's flush. It comes with a protector so you can cover the hole and then do all of your spackling or any other finishing on your surface. Once you're complete with the surface, you throw the driver box through the ceiling and connect the luminaire. Clip it in, add your reflectors and trims, and you're done. Simple, fast, beautiful. BEGA's Genius installation technology ensures a perfect installation every time. The Genius system allows for a high degree of versatility when installing. Contractors can actually cut holes and install the luminaire before the ceiling is finished. This helps eliminate any possibility of damaging newly beautiful finished ceilings. On to the last family we will explore today, our interior asymmetric solutions. A versatile family of luminaires, available in multiple sizes, light distributions, and finishes. They were previously only found in our exterior portfolio. These interior versions are intended to indirectly illuminate ceilings or archways, while also subtly illuminating the wall surface. These luminaires are an excellent lighting tool for effective indirect illumination of interior spaces. Well, that's all we have time for today. But if you're interested in any more information on anything you've seen here today or any other products in BEGA Interior Catalog 20, please check out our website, download a digital version of our catalog, or browse our news posts. If you would like a printed version of our catalog, please reach out to your local representative today. As a reminder, all BEGA luminaires are backed by a 5-year warranty, and our LED modules are supported by our 20-year replacement promise, guaranteeing your luminaire will last the lifetime of your project. Additional details are available online on our website. Don't forget, all of our luminaires are available in 4 standard LED temperatures, 2700 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin, 3500 Kelvin, and 4000 Kelvin to give you plenty of design options. Thank you again for your time today and for your continued support and partnership.